Hi, this is Skylanders and I just did a video like an hour ago about Skylanders Saturday at GameStop on Saturday, so I can't wait for that. So also, yeah, I pre-ordered the starter pack with gearshift and all kinds of stuff. So my dad pre-ordered it, Skylander Dad #2, because there's already Skylander Dad from the Skylander Boy and Girl FGTV Final Vision channel, and actually my dad, Skylander Dad #2, and he just pre-ordered it from GameStop a couple days ago. So we're getting gearshift on October 5th, and we're gonna go there for like some hunting and pick up our starter pack for like Skylanders Trap Team. Well, they are gonna ship it in, but we're gonna do all kinds of unboxings and all kinds of stuff. Like we're gonna do like different videos, like after video one couple minutes later, and just Skylanders Fun on October 5th. I can't wait for that. So that's all I wanted you to know. How I pre-ordered the starter pack and the Skylander gear shift, and that's all. Peace out. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. And subscribe every single subscriber video. So see ya. Skizzle.